Eggplant fritters are the best spicy snack. Let's make this delicious recipe. Take 2 cups of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. In a pastel, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds and 1 tablespoon of dried pomegranate seeds. Coarsely grind all seeds. It should look like this. Add to the gram flour bowl. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now add enough water to make a slurry-like paste. Give it a good mix. Water quantity will be around 1¼ cups. With the help of spatula, try to make it smooth. It should look like this. Set aside for 20 minutes. In the meantime, cut the eggplant into 2 centimeters thick slices. Sprinkle enough chaat masala to make a thin layer of it over the slices. You will need around 1 tablespoon. Give it a mix. Add to the gram flour mixture. Mix it well to coat the mixture over the slices. Fry on medium heat. Flip in the middle when it changes the color to light golden. Transfer it to the plate. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Crispy and flavorful eggplant fritters are ready to serve. Pair it with your favorite dipping sauce or yogurt Raita. Recipe link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.